How to fix Telegram loading problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram loading problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down here until you find the battery, click on it and make sure power saving mode is disabled. So now just go to apps and then apps again, and here type Telegram, click on it and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now if that doesn't fix your problem, then it means that you need to clean some space, and so just go to your gallery and delete some photos and videos, or you can clean it from storage here. And if that doesn't fix it, go to Play Store and update your Telegram, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.